What's the meaning of barley? Barley. Barley.
Barley. Barley. Barley is a cereal grain that belongs to the Poaceae grass family. It is an important crop in many parts of the world, with major producers including Russia, Canada, Germany, and Australia. The grain consists of three parts: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm, which are all used for different purposes. Barley has a range of uses, including as animal feed, in brewing beer, and for human consumption in dishes such as soups and stews. It is also a good source of nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a healthy addition to a balanced diet.